to a ladder.
Damn.
Like I said.
Look, bad, good.
The lip of the rotor.
Yeah.
Right here. But you can catch with your finger eating into the back of the brake pad. That's the backing pad. That's the pad surface that makes touch with that. So you could have cost yourself, once again, $2,000 in just a couple more miles. Damn. That one is deadly bad.
I know y'all remember this guy right here. It's my man Chris Dillon. I told you, only 3 people touched my car. Dodge, Griff's Garage, and Chris Dillon.
Getting that big boy lifted up.
And this is not the jack from Harbor Freight either. So we don't have to worry about it fucking falling. It's the real deal. I've been telling y'all I'm gonna do this a long time. Power stops. Getting rid of the mess. These things are fucking heavy. On it. On it.
I don't even have to go as high as I needed to go to get the...
Get to the oil? Oh yeah.
Let's get the wheel off
The CarLock.
Well, so your shit go.
See what I'm saying?
I'm shaking.
I love that shit. It's so fucking sensitive. Shout out the CarLock.
Who's stealing my wheels?
Who's stealing my fucking wheels?
In your damn driveway doing this shit.
You see what I'm saying? Try to take my rims if you want to. I will get a notification.
And this thing's quiet as hell.
Exactly.
That ain't gonna wake you up, but that
exactly
gonna wake your ass up.
Somebody on the highway with it. Oh yeah.
Let's see. There's no brake pad left.
God damn.
0. And if you can run your finger along your rotor and it catches at the end, you probably need new rotors. Now, most of the time with a brake setup like this, the pad will eat into the rotor.
Yeah.
There's no minimum distance or turning to flatten it out to have a safe distance.
Yeah.
You replace the rotor and the pad at the same time. But that's, once again, for safety, stopping distance, not hitting the person in front of you.
Gotcha.
It's always suggested to have better brakes.
Yeah.
Spend a little bit on safety stuff. You can have more fun with your car doing fast turning things and stuff like that. It's going to react better and be better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to see how fucking thin that pad is, man.
Oh, you're going to see it. All right.
What you need, brother?
Hop in fully on the brake.
Okay.
Turn the wheel all the way to that way, please.
Gotcha. Yes, sir.
All right, stop and turn it off. Doing brakes.
Get you some room to work with.
So, need to go see Kato. Get those
I know,
cleaned
man.
up.
I know, bro.
That boy do a good job.
He
with
do
this
a fucking
brake.
good job,
I
man.
talked to him the other day about helping me out with mine.
Yeah. Dodge said they were going to charge, I want to say $350 for the pads, and then $150 for installation, and then $2,100 for the rotors. Like $3,000 for just the front rotors. We're not even talking about all 4. Just the front.
Your wallet. I know you can find those rotors at a decent price online. I know you can, for a fact.
POWERSTOP Extremes. You know what I'm saying? Street Warriors. Big heavy motherfuckers, man. Everything.
It'll stop on some of this damn brake dust.
That's for goddamn sure. Look at this brake dust. And I just washed my car like 2 days ago.
Stop it.
Completely, yeah.
Completely.
I saw they got some brake dust repellent bullshit that you can put on your rims.
Whatever. Bullshit. Snake oil.
Yeah. Power stops. That's all I needed to change was the front ones. The back ones were good. See, POWERSTOP Extreme carbon fiber brake pads, all that shit. Street Warrior. I called POWERSTOP twice to confirm that these are the right setup. So make sure that you call before. Don't just go to Amazon and
pick up the phone. It takes 5 seconds.
Exactly. Don't just go to Amazon and look in there and just, you know,
they'll sell you anything.
Any fucking thing.
And it doesn't matter because they'll warranty it and send it back and waste your time. And if you got brakes pads like this and it's about to cost you $2,000 in rotors. Oh yeah. Shit. Nada.
Damn.
to a lotta.
Damn.
Like I said.
Look, bad,
a cunt,
good.
A cunt here.
God. Yeah, when your shit starts squealing, guys, get you some damn brakes. Hold on. Give me that again.
That's the lip of the rotor.
Yeah.
Right here. But you can catch with your finger eating into the back of the brake pad. That's the backing pad. That's the pad surface that makes touch with that. So you could have cost yourself, once again, $2,000 in just a couple more miles. Damn. That one is deadly bad.
Yeah.
Old to new. Holy shit. You don't stop on that surface. You stop on that surface, right?
God damn, it's eating.
Like I said, it was due, yo. Very, very due. And here, children, we're going to have a lesson. If you love something, you lube it.
Shit up.
And what this does is allow the pad to work correctly, pushing in and pushing back out when the pistons want to push it.
So apparently I'm on the brakes a lot.
Well, the fronts have the weight of the engine over the top of it. So your front brakes always have the bigger rotor also. So they're doing more work, essentially about 60 to 70% versus 40 to 30% braking. You've got the weight of the engine and the whole weight of the car traveling forward. Most of the time your rear brakes are just to have the car going straight when you're under braking.
Gotcha.
So all four corners are stopping, but yet these are doing more power. So with a heavy 4,000 or 5,000 pound car, it's doing a shit ton of work. Brakes, tires are your number one and number two safest thing on the car. After that is, of course, your airbag systems, your seat belts and such. But for going down the road at any speed, your brakes and your tires mean a shit ton. A lot of people think, oh, no, that's just a tire. It's a tire at the end of the day. Yeah, it's black around, holds air, but yet there's a lot of shit that makes a Michelin Continental something different than a Nakikamo or some bullshit fucking $2 fucking tire that shouldn't be anywhere near nice cars.
Shout out to CarLock. Man, it's literally replacing my brakes, and I'm getting notifications. Don't be an irresponsible driver like your boy. So like this fat part is supposed to be what's actually touching the rotor. And as you can see, there's absolutely none. So it started eating into this side part right here, which is probably why I heard the squealing and the scraping. Shout out to CarLock. I keep getting notifications because he's banging on your car. I'm telling you, you can't steal the wheels on these cars when you got CarLock.
Make it very hard.
They make it very fucking hard. Because I've got, what, 5, 6, 7 notifications?
You better hope that owner's out of fucking town.
Exactly.
There's your advertisement. CarLock. Hope that fucking owner's out of town.
Damn.
I want my royalties, goddammit.
We'll take care of that. Big fucking wheel. If you need some help, let me know.
I'm just gonna get it in there past the wide body kit correctly. I made it harder on myself turning it, but made it easier on myself to work on it. Either way, it'll go back correctly.
There we go. Shout out to CarLock once again. So I'm pretty sure that right one was the worst one, because that was where I was hearing a lot of the squeals from.
If that inside one on that side was bad, this one has to be almost very similar to it. Yeah, that's the one thing about the efficiency of a Brembo brake kit is that it's going to wear good on all four corners.
Evenly.
It's a more expensive brake kit, better designed for pressures and stopping distances. For the safety aspect, you know. That's why they use them in racing, because they're a better brake kit.
Mm-hmm.
Depending on the quality of the pad. I think they me personally, I think they did a Brembo style rotor, a Brembo caliper, and a non-Brembo pad. Because you would think they would have put the highest quality carbon ceramic pad on a fucking car like this to keep down on the dust, especially on a black car.
Yeah.
Dust heat up all down your fucking side of your car, especially with tire shine and stuff slinging off.
No shit.
It's doing nothing good, I promise you. What I was talking about.
Yeah.
See how you got your real nice fat grooves, but that's your wear bar.
Yeah.
If you can have that flat across, it's time for tires, because that institutes a failure of state inspection. That's 230 seconds.
Yeah.
So any tire manufacturer, I think since like the date of 2005, has to install those wear bars. So the state inspector at your local store can't say, "Oh, well, you failed inspection. I'm here to sell you tires." That'll keep his ass honest. So
it's getting close, or it's there.
Yeah. Well, overinflated tires will lead up the middle of your tread. Underinflated tires will eat up here. Bad alignment and bad suspension will eat candy stripes all the way across or onto the edges.
Gotcha.
Most bad alignments on a heavier car will eat up here because of the tire flex as it's going down the road.
Gotcha.
So especially in the back tires, they were probably worn worse on that edge. That's where 90% of Dodge owners, you can go check my OG tires.
Yeah. That one's a little bit better.
A little bit better.
See? It wasn't eating into the fucking rotor.
Not yet.
I told you that right one was the worst one.
Still.
Chris is like, I can't believe you're celebrating it. Gotta lube it up. You can't do nothing dry.
I don't care what her sister says.
Shout out to CarLock. Once again, 10 notifications in 45 minutes. What more convincing you need? I'm telling you. He's taking off both of my wheels, and I got nothing but notifications. Started my car twice. Notifications for that.
Until I pushed all the calipers out, I'm making sure all the caliper pistons push back in. Put your cat back on. Best shoot.
Yeah.
Get up to about 45.
Okay.
About down to 15.
Okay.
Up to 45, down to 15. Not like rah.
Yeah.
Do it nice and controlled.
Gotcha.
45, 15.
Yeah.
What this doing is marrying the brand new brake pads into the rotor surface.
Gotcha.
So then that's going to give you the best braking distance.
Okay.
For about the first 500 miles, treat them like you spent money on them.
Yeah.
After that, dog runs out in front of you, go after them. They're brakes. They're supposed to save your life.
Yeah.
Make sure they work.
Gotcha.
So just treat them right for the first 500-600 miles, and they should be great for thousands of more miles after
Gotcha.
that.
40 to 15 gradually.
Yeah.
Okay.
About 4 or 5 times.
Gotcha.
Kind of like a yo-yo.
Yeah.
It's just, once again, marrying the brand new surface of the pad into the rotor.
Gotcha.
So it's treating your money better.
Yeah.
The first time it goes out and gets over 45 miles per hour.
Gotcha. All right, my brother.
Again, safety.
Chris Dillon, y'all.
Try.
He's going to take care of you. I'll put his Instagram in the description, man. He does everything. Dodge everything. Dodge, Chevy, Ford, everything. If it's got 4 wheels.
Audi. Shit, I'll work on your kid's power wheel if you'll graciously let me.
There you go. You can do it all. Dope ass Audi. Of course, I didn't even get the scat on here. You got that hiding, chilling. If you see this, you better
Even if you need information, reach out. I don't mind giving free information out. That makes you a better consumer and buying the products you like. That makes your driving experience better. We see each other out in the meet. Oh, thank you. Everybody's friends that way. This stuff is for networking. Let's use it that way.
Let's use it.
Fuck the fame.
That's right. Networking. All right, y'all. Shout out to CarLock. Vehicle moved. I forgot to turn it off. To the rotor, real easy. We're stuck in traffic. We're on extreme thirst mode in traffic, and I do mean extreme thirst mode. Yo, another thing I wanted to tell you guys, like, I'm serious about this gas app situation. Yes, I am driving and filming. Gas, get upside, real talk. Boom. I'm about to show you guys how much money I'm getting off on my next gas tank. I'm sorry, I can't stop. I wish I could stop quickly, but I can't. I gotta, 90 cents, bro. 90 cents. I'm getting 90 cents off of my next tank per gallon. I'm telling you guys that I'll be getting gas at 381 up here at the Shell. I'm telling you guys. Get upside works, man. When you get those points and you add them up, you get 90 cents, damn near $1 off. Come on now. Gas is 380 plus in Charlotte. And to get 90 cents off and to bring it down to what's that, like 381? Let's see if I get it to focus. 381 for premium. I'm telling you guys, I'll put my code right here on the screen so that you know what's up. Look at that. Notification after notification after notification after notification. CarLock is going to take care of you. My man couldn't even change out my brakes without CarLock picking up vibration in my car. Stop playing Knockout 360 for 10% off the device when you go to Amazon. Knockout 360 for an additional 14 days. I'm telling you guys, CarLock is the way to go. Like I said, Knockout 360 will get you 10% off the device when you go to Amazon, and then use Knockout 360 again when it's time to subscribe to the monthly subscription. That's going to give you an extra 14 days off on your free trial.